All right, another day of ice fishing. Where we at, boys? All right, so we're here at Grindstone Lake. We are here to fish for smelt. Is there any fish?
Yeah.
Wow. The one you like, go. Oh, look. Oh man, slushy. Oh damn. That's nice. They already got some. Look at that. Look at all that fish. Nice.
Yeah, just keep jigging it, they'll come.
We're doing 4 holes. And the light scope's gonna go in the middle. It's very slushy, but the ice is alright. About a good 10 inches. There's a lot of smelt down there. Look at that. Put the chili, come on. God, those marks looks big for some small fish. I know I heard the bite's really soft, so you have to be ready for it. Oh, there we go. He got one. Nice. Yeah, I thought they're gonna taste good though. Tonight we plan on all night, but we don't know yet, so we'll see. We'll see how we do with the spiked one. Got it. Right there. Beautiful. It's a good size.
What is it? Same size.
Oh, these are
I didn't know
beautiful.
it's big.
Wow, these are beautiful. They're different. They're not like the one at Lake Superior. The color's a little different. Look at that. Beautiful fish. First one of the day. Got it. Oh, I lost it. Darn it. Oh, yo, tolo. Finally. Oh, this guy's so tiny. There you go. Kaylin got one. Finally. Oh, that's a good size. Got it. God, they're such light biter, dude. It's really like you barely feel it. Alright, so we're doing when you drop it down, move it up slowly when they just move it a little, just keep moving up slowly. And they'll take it. See? See? Look at that. There we go. Finally. Man, that was like a good 5 minutes, huh? No fish. There you go. Good job. Chili mà nấu tôm chết cơ đúng không nào?
Got the same one.
It's gonna be chili night tonight. Alright folks, follow us. We're gonna do Grindstone tonight, fishing smelt. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna head back to Quarry Lake to get some more trout. Pretty fun, huh boys? Or is it pretty boring?
It's pretty boring.
Fishing for smelt.
Yeah, they don't fight hard too, so.
Dude, man, it's not about fighting, dude.
I like trout because they fight pretty hard. Same with crappies.
Got it. Oh my gosh, I just heard a little tap. That's it. I just heard a little tiny tap.
Guys, today I'm also here to try out my new inline reel. It's a PC Fun Ice Frost. Yeah. Oh. It's a nice little reel. It has like a little
I can get this, Kayla.
turning or like what is it? Like a tuning thing. So if you have a small bait like this, honestly, my honest review, these small baits like this, it don't work as good. So like you have to pull the line down with your hands. But you have like bigger, like heavier baits. It falls down really good.
Sure.
Oh shit. That was the wackest review I've ever done.
Mo, that's a good job you did there.
Honestly, I think I'm just like the one that's like just be dumb.
Hmm?
Oh god.
Oh, he got one.
Finally.
Finally, right? Move. Oh shoot.
That's how Caleb looked like when he tried to fight. Yeah. Oh, damn, y'all catching more fish than me. That's crazy. I'm still good. I don't really care.
So this is what he's using over there. See how nice it is?
It's small too. Yeah, I try one. I try the black one.
You try that one? You want one?
Let's see.
Yeah, you can try the purple. I'll try the red one.
God damn, these are tiny as heck.
Oh, yo.
Barely sinking down. Oh, I'm gonna have to handle this one.
All the lights off. We were hitting left and right. Oh, there we go. And then as soon as we turn it on, it doesn't bite as much.
But there is more fish around here though. Not my first one. My first one was like in that somewhere.
Got it. Oh, hey, go deeper. I think don't you just shot on the high ones? I think they see the light and they're not biting. Go all the way to the bottom.
They're like so scared for some reason.
No, they're finicky because of the light. It's too bright. See? Oh.
It's so boring.
Kenny, you have issues.
I hate catching small fish. It's like fishing for minnows.
Chili tu tao ha, pick up plenty.
You know, I'd rather catch than smelt. Some tiny bluegills.
Here's my man Kevin. Oh, here fishing with us.
Oh, there you go. Let's see your bowl. For real. Oh, that's kind of nice, yo. And you just let go like this?
Yeah, it's pretty slow. So you just...
Oh, okay. Where you at right now? Alright.
Got it. Good job, Caleb. Caleb's been doing good today. Yeah, you got one again? Man. Mong, tôi cho nó có mong. Có đồ tao là mong. Not your thing, huh? You like yours better.
I know, I like the design way better.
Again! And what about me? There you go.
Exactly, man. Chill.
Not a good place to teach anything right
He's
now.
just
There's
teaching
4 holes in
us.
front of you. 70 feet deep.
Until you get it, right?
There you go. Caleb, any luck? You're doing good? Oh, not a lot though. We got some.
Alright guys, tonight we are at Grindstone Lake and we are catching smelt. But it's pretty slow tonight, so we're just taking it slow and having a few drinks here and there, man.
Dude, that's a lot of fish. Oh,
There you go, baby. That's how you
There you
fish
go.
it. Come on.
Some tiny ass little fish.
Hey, CKV channel, check it out, subscribe, like, and share, alright guys?
Alright guys, so last night we went smelt fishing. This is all the smelt we caught right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean it. First, we're going to make two different styles. Alright, so first I'm going to cut right under the lip right here. So this is going to take out the gills and the guts. You see that? And there's also this right here. Now this one's clean. Just gonna put it right here. And then the other one, I'm just gonna this one, I'm just gonna cut. What is it? All right. So for this next style, I'm gonna just cut the head off, or not give up. Yeah, I'm just gonna start cutting it right there, like this, just like this. And then we're gonna take out the head and. Next, I'm gonna put the knife right here and start cutting out upwards. Just like that. Next, just use your thumb and push everything out. Just like that. Okay, so we just got everything ready. Some we're gonna put in the flour here, and some we're just gonna fry it. I'm gonna make sure the flour is on both sides. Guys, it's ready. I'm gonna drop those ones in. You drop a couple of these. Big pile right here. The fish are ready, and these are the ones with the flowers, and these are the one with nothing. And I think, me personally, I think the one with the flowers look way better. And yeah, we're gonna test it out. Choose the first piece, man. All right, thanks to my brother Kalen here, cooking up these fish for us, you know. It's pretty good. It's a little bit soft, but it's good. Alright, I'll try one of these. Wow, it's really good. Wow, it's really good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.